Good afternoon, guys. Clayton Carter here. It is currently raining, but today we have a thermal scope. This is a I4SEE 640 resolution. The picture on this thing is amazing. I guarantee I can't get a shot through here, but let's see if we can. You can kind of see. So I just got a couple hot hands down there. Can't really see in this thing. Anyway, it's a 640 resolution. Comes with the QD mount. Takes the 18650, not the flat top as advertised. It's got the focus on the front here. It's pretty smooth. The zoom is up here. This is the only thing I don't like. It's very, very easy to turn. Like, it can get bumped, but you can turn it back pretty quick. It's not a problem. But we bore sighted this. I took a couple shots. We are going to shoot it a couple times here after the adjustments here. I'll shoot it with you guys on camera here, just to kind of see where we're at here. And one more for good measure, just to see. Alright, put it on safe. Take a walk down here. See what we got. So the first shots after the bore sight was about 2 inches left. Cold bore and then warm shot, so 2 inches off, and then they were about 1.5 inches apart. Made some adjustments, went too far. The next 3 shots were 1/2 inch group. Of course, this is only 53 yards, so not like it's real far, but as you can see, first 2 shots, first shot, second shot, made the adjustments, boom, boom, boom. The bullet got cold, or the bore got cold, made the adjustments here, and I shot that second shot. I was a little wobbly, so I'm gonna take it maybe about, I don't know, 4 clicks or 5, see what happens. But that was the second shot, so with 7 shots, I'm close. This thing is way easier to adjust than my AGM was, or my Rico 50. So I'm just gonna put a new target up here so I can see a little better. I just got hot hands on this. Seems to be a decent way to get in there. Of course, with 640, it makes it a whole lot easier than it does with like 384 or 320, 384, 260 for whatever resolution. The zoom on this thing is pretty phenomenal. The clover plot. Clover's booming. Anyway, I'm gonna make a quick adjustment. Shoot it a couple more times. And I don't like those flyers on the cold bore. This is just a cheap gun though. It's nothing special. So in order to adjust the reticle in here, you do a long press on the menu, which is also your zoom. Scroll it over to your reticle, short push, scroll it over to your X and Y axis, hit save, and then you're right there. So it's pretty nice. Just like that, we're adjusted. Let's take a couple shots here. Got a new target up, but I'm seeing the thermal sensor of the cardboard behind the other cardboard. I think it's the bottom one. That one was left. I could see the bullet hole through the thermal. So, I drop my shooting bag. It's starting to rain pretty good, guys, so thanks for tuning in here. We got the I4SEE 640. I paid $1,200 for this thing on eBay. Took a gamble on it. I think I like it. I'm gonna try it on my 5.56 because I really don't think that this is a Bear Creek Arsenal 6 arc. I really don't think it's that accurate, to be honest. So thanks for tuning in, and check back in soon.